We got in last night around 7 p.m. Washed down the boat this morning. Yeah. Yes.
I just sat down.
Oh, that must be nice. That must be a nice feeling to sit down and relax. All right, kids. What's for lunch, chef? Cream of Arabs underwear. Best thing about yachting is you got a chef that cooks breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And this is the first chef that I don't get in a fight with. I've been yachting for the past 2 years now, full time, and he is literally the only chef I don't get in an argument with. And he's my roommate. Check out how small this room is. Got the top bunk, old man got the bottom bunk, and this is what we gotta share. Oh. Man, I woke up today at 6:45 and it's already 12. I'm exhausted. We might have a crew day later. Go hang out with the crew at the beach. I think that's the plan. But I'm officially done with the exterior of the boat till tomorrow. So I just got the order from the captain to top off the jet ski and the tender because he doesn't want to deal with it once we get to Georgetown.
Yay! I'm excited.
I was trying to get you on the jet ski by yourself.
I know.
And then I'm like, what? Go ahead. All right, come on. Come in. Drive it if you want. There you go. That corner.
How do you?
So this is the lever. That's in gear. Then this is neutral.
This is gear?
That's just gas.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
How fast can I go?
Here you can't go that fast.
Oh, okay.
But maybe you can put gas and then you can do a little lap over there and come back.
This one's harder to control than the.
It's a jet.
Than the.
Because it's a jet drive. Come on, no pressure. Your gear, take it out of gear. Yeah, put it in neutral. There, it should start now. Yeah, there you go. Nice reaction. Look at it back. Forward. There you go. There you go. Now reverse. There you go. Nice. Controlled. Other way. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, you're natural. Hey, Captain. Do you want the tender there, or do you want me to tie it up here on the dock?
No, we'll bring it back in.
Bring it back in. Take it back in. good. You got it. You got it. Practice. You got it. Don't get nervous now that the captain's watching.
I get nervous because we're by the boat.
I know. I'll be here to help you out. There you go. You got it. Yeah. Yeah. No. Turn right. Turn left. I mean right.
I'll be right there now. Roll up your lines. Okay, thank you.
All right. Turn it off.
You're welcome.
Turn it off. Good job. Great job. How do you like the air compressor?
I like that because I don't like the way.
It's set up?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's kind of tight in here, but it's pretty though. I love to rip that thing out of hot over in that full throttle.
Another thing that we need to do is tie a rope onto this. So we can
yeah. I got it.
Right in the back.
Nice job. Look, they put a chain, and at night they lock this whole channel up. Yeah, so imagine coming out at night not seeing that and us hitting this.
Oh my gosh, that's crazy.
Yeah.
Oh, look how pretty the water is.
It's really pretty down there. Alright, when I grab that line, turn it off. Go forward. Or you can turn it off. Good, great job.
Thank you.
Wait,
Shower
the
again.
line is.
Oh yeah.
Alright. Alrighty. No problem.
That was fun.
It was. Gotta flush these things. These guys are heading out. This thing's nice.
I would picture for you.
How do you think this boat is?
Probably 1955, 1950, 1940, something like that. You know, around there.
Look at the galley.
Yeah. Oh yeah, stainless steel. Look at all that bright work though. It's a lot of varnish.
Oh yeah.
It's cool though. Look at the stack. You know. It's my girl's name, man.
Aurora. She looks pretty,
Yeah, they're cool.
you know?
But you're looking at 6 knots going to nowhere, bro.
it's
I'm serious, 5 knots maybe.
like a sailboat. It's a
Yeah,
powered
man,
sailboat.
Got it in great shape, man. Oh. That's worm food. You know, wooden holes and shit.
Yeah.
But that's old Trumpy. You can tell them Trumpies, they have that little scroll work up in the bow. The presidential yacht, Sequoia, that was a Trumpy. Did some parties on that.
They have their golf cart on the fly bridge. That's what we need. Look at the fly.
In the States, you know. Oh, okay, and he closes the door. I fucking shat myself, bro. Can you imagine? Oh, man. I had like 6 jars. Then, on top of that, I mailed some home to my P.O. box in fucking Lauderdale.
Yeah.
I got all 4 packages, man. Oh, man.
You can climb that.
Oh, square grouper.
Swear.
Could you imagine?
This is where you find them.
Well, yeah.
But what are we gonna do with it? What can we do if it's too early in the trip?
No, it's perfect. We'll use half of it and sell the other half.
Oh shit.
We'll use half of it and then sell the other half. Captain's gonna come up to you and go, hey, why you shit? I got you, bro. He's gonna come up and go, oh, why is your chef like a little mouse that come out of a hole and run all over the place? Well, because he's probably got about 1.5 grams up his nose. The problem.
Oh, look at a manta ray.
Oh yeah, big one.
Yeah. One thing I love about the Bahamas.
Oh yeah.
You got random beaches everywhere.
Yeah.
And just marine life everywhere.
And the water's fucking beautiful.
Yep.
No, I don't mind it at all. I'm disappointed if he goes up north. You know, there's really, you know, like when you go up to Newport.
Came back to the boat and I started working on a little project. I'm waxing the helm here on the fly bridge using reject. Non-sponsored, but it's leaving it perfect.
Get down to the bottom of what happened because it sounded kind of rough.
It's hurt?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, looks like you blew some rusty mud out of it.
And we don't want to leave everyone on a cliffhanger of what happened to the
Start getting ready. We're leaving at 5 a.m.